G'day, this is Dennis from Out of Den Shed. Here behind me I've got my 1993 HZj80 Landcruiser. I've had it since about 2003. It's just clicked over to 600,000 kilometres and I thought I'd give it a bit of a birthday. So I'm going to document that on a video, and I'll post it up on YouTube, wherever else. The old Landcruiser's looking a bit sad and sorry. As you can see, the paint's pretty well had it. Interior is a bit sad and sorry too, so I'm going to get that all retrimmed. I'm going to do the paint work in the shed here. A few spots of rust, one on the bonnet there, bit of surface rust coming through on the paint because it's so thin. Bought a whole heap of new bits and pieces, trim and stuff for it, so it's going to get a bit of a birthday, a bit of a tidy up. You can see some rust on the roof there that's come through. Paint's worn so thin, and that's about it. We're about to start. I've just bought the paint. That's just over $1,000 worth of paint, and you got thinners and everything there ready to go. All the hardener. It's 2-pack paint. Gonna do it in the shed here.